Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy recipe for zucchini hash. Yep, that's right. Zucchini for breakfast. Now, before you say, no, that doesn't sound appealing, it is really good. Plus, you can use up all those zucchinis you have from your garden or your friends have given you from their garden. So let's get started and I'll show you how. We're going to dice some green pepper. Then we're going to dice some onion and dice some zucchini. And finally, we're going to slice some mushrooms. And we're going to take a little bit of oil and put it in the pan. That's about a tablespoon. And then we're going to add our diced and sliced veggies to cook. And we'll just stir and let them cook a bit. And then add some salt and pepper to taste. And give them a stir. And once they're lightly browned and looking good, but not mushy, we'll add it to the plate. And then we will place our cooked egg on top. And once egg is placed, we'll sprinkle it with just a little parsley. And that's it. And if you like this recipe, you can head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.